What's going on, everybody? So it's me, Tim, here with Aces at Pro-Touring Truck Shootout, and we've got this clean C10. And there's race trucks everywhere. This is fantastic. I really love this. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're sponsoring a Drivability Cruise, so we're going to take this already installed Killshot I, swap the throttle body, the handheld, because that's all we have to do when we upgrade to the Killshot II, because the harness, well, they work on either one. So why not? Let's swap a throttle body, let's do a handheld, and let's see how it drives. I did manage to, I went ahead and saved the tune. You want to do that anyways, but let's get started. So anyways, midpoint check-in, old throttle body off. I'm sure you guys seen that fast forwarded quite a lot. We got the new throttle body going on. I haven't torqued it down yet. Got to connect some fuel lines, got to put some linkage on, and an air cleaner. And then, well, that portion's done. We got to install the handheld. Not a massive deal, but we didn't even have to change out the harness. The new generation of harness does the old one and the new one all at the same time. So let's keep trucking along and get this thing started. Yeah. Okay, so we're wrapping this up. What do we got? 15 minutes in this so far with this throttle body changeover. We got a wire running inside for this new HD handheld. This is our Gen 3 5-inch HD handheld. Operates more like a cell phone than you think. It's really nice. It feels good too. So we're gonna plug this in, run the wizard, make sure everything's up to date and looking good, and fire it up. This is a pretty aggressive motor, so we'll see what it does on the wizard. Worst case is, I got a little bit of tuning. I like that stuff too. Okay. Air fuel, Killshot. I'd say this is a mild cam. Yeah. This is running the Hall effect Gambler, so okay. 383. Is there any fuel leaks out there?
Okay. Hey Tim.
Yep.
Do you want to before you start it? We're gonna hold off because Arnie's gonna come over here and film it.
He's going over right now to tell them to make the announcement on the PA. Then he's gonna come over and film it for his channel. Yeah. Maybe wait till Arnie gets over here before you do it, because he's going to tell him to make the announcement and he's coming right over.
Okay. No pressure, right?
No.
So we had ordered a Killshot 1.
Okay.
And we spent 2.5 months tuning it, perfecting it.
Okay.
Ran really, really good. Brian, the owner, was happy. We're about 10% off of it being perfect.
Okay.
So 90%,
Right.
you know, reliability happy.
Yeah.
And I told Ben, I said, you know what would be awesome? To prove how reliable the new Killshot 2 is, why don't we swap it out live at the show?
Sounds like a great idea.
No hidden cameras.
Right.
You can't fix anything.
Nope.
Like, it's right there
It's
live.
live at the event.
At the event. And first thing Ben said was, that's an awesome idea. Let me run it up the flagpole.
Ben likes everything. I love it. Ben likes everything. All right, so now as the story goes, we have Killshot 1 used to be on this.
Absolutely.
And so and you were here. So how long did it take?
10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes to
10,
swap
15
out.
minutes.
Okay, so same ECU. Give me a little bit of the specs. You know what I'm gonna do? How about we call like a pro in here?
Let's call him in.
Hey, come here, pro.
So the
pro
pro.
Tim. All right, so Tim, we had version 1.
Version
there's
1.
Version 2. What's the difference between the 1 turns into a 2? What's the bells and whistles now?
Ooh, well, on the 2, there's a bit of progressive linkage. So a little bit more tip in, a little bit more controllability with that. It has an internal fuel pressure transducer, so you don't have to put extra equipment in there. It's already pre-wired for it. There's a huge update to the harness, so it's flexible between the version 1 and the version 2.
So did you guys have to change the harness out right now?
The harness he had in there was already good to go.
Gotcha.
This is just an update from the one itself. So we did that, and then we put the new Gen 3 5-inch HD handheld in.
Say that again.
Gen 3 5-inch
5-inch
HD
high
handheld. definition
handheld.
Right.
Wow,
So
okay.
it has, and the Killshot 2 with all the wiring and everything, and the processing speed it has. You can do stuff like EGTs. So if you got a 2-channel EGT, you can plug it in. It's on a faster CAN network because of the extra processing power this unit has. So it's going to be more expandable. If he wants to go to a dual quad, he can buy the extra throttle body and the link cable between the two, go dual quad.
All right, so there's a lot more bells and whistles that can be done with version 2.
Absolutely.
So version 2 now is in this truck, and we haven't cranked it up yet.
Not yet.
I'll add drama. It may not work.
Oh,
Don't say that.
It may not work, but you guys have not cranked it up.
No.
So do you want to do us a favor and hop in there and see what's up?
Yeah, this is great. I haven't started this up yet. I ran the Wizard on it. And let's see how it does on a Wizard on a very well-built motor.
So this is testimony to how the Wizard setup is put together for your initial setup for Aces.
Yeah, because we'll do this. We'll make some adjustments at some point. It'll be fine. And do a little bit of handheld tuning. Go for a drive.
All right, let's see what happens. All right, she's running.
Not bad, huh?
And right now she's learning, right?
It's learning a little bit right now. So it's sucking air, it's going to get fuely, it's going to get lean, it's going to figure out where it wants it at, and then it's going to start bringing the idle down real nice and smooth. And then we'll see what the fuel wants to do. Is it too much fuel? Is it not enough? And we'll do the fuel table offset appropriately just to match what the base of the motor wants.
All right.
If that's all you're doing is on the handheld like that, then you can do a lot with the handheld. I mean, we've made some videos in-house about this kind of thing, but it just goes to show us, like, if you do a clean install and you pay attention to the instructions.
I got my Aces unit and I threw the instructions.
Yeah, because he has my phone number.
Right.
So
I get to cheat a little bit.
He does, but that's okay. But we're going to do some adjustments probably. We'll let it learn and do its thing. We'll go for a drive and see where it's at. Maybe we'll plug in a laptop, maybe we probably won't and just go for a drive, just to see what it's like on the Wizard on this aggressive of a 383 in this truck.
But so far, she sounds good.
Oh yeah.
And so it's a 383.
383
with a cam, with a mild cam.
with a mild cam.
Anything? The headers.
It's got nice headers. I love the drive accessories, by the way, too. It's a beautiful build.
So now this unit, that's your distributor.
That's our Gambler. That's our Harl Effect. So it's a 7+1. If he goes multi-port on this engine later, he doesn't have to buy the distributor. He already has it. He already has the coil, so he can save a bit and actually put multi-port on this later if he wants to. He already has the major components needed for it.
All right.
Or he can just keep it like it is. That's the point. Flexibility
to the unit. Okay.
Welcome to the end of what we did here. So we did a swap. We did the Killshot 1 to the Killshot 2. We filmed some stuff with Arnie. We filmed some stuff with us. And this thing fires up like a champion. We just went through the Wizard, selected mild. I didn't do anything special. There's no Hollywood magic involved in this. Literally swapped the thing. Took about 15 minutes. Ran it through the Wizard. Keyed it on a few times. Poof. Starts. Runs. Now we're going to go drive it. So what do you think? What's your feeling on this so far?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, me too.
Here in the initial start,
It just enforces the spirit.
absolutely.
Yeah.
In fact, we should start it for the camera.
Yeah.
How do they know that it really starts?
All right. Hold on a second. Hold that for me. You know,
there we have it.
There we have it. I like that stink, that initial fire up of a fresh system. I love it. So there it is. That's legitimately on the Wizard, mild cam, 383 with a fat roller cam in it. I've had a good time. I appreciate it.
I have too. Thank you so much, Tim.
Thank you for being here.
Aces.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, more to come. Hang in there with us.